On today's episode, I'm welding some tabs on the dog leg of a Honda.
I think I'm gonna need one up here and down here.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm hungry, success is the dinner, and greatness will come with the meals. Boy, I said come with the meals. Mean I get money to blow, mean I get watches and diamonds, and that's in my pocket and pen and more just for the show. Just so you know, I ain't get put on, boy, I just put on hard for my fam. Made the decision, I wasn't satisfied how I was living, so I got on mine and
What's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 76 of Inside the Bodyshop. Hope you guys are enjoying your Friday so far. So, first thing this morning, when I got to the shop, I helped out in the paint department for probably about the first hour, kind of helping get things moving, being that we're short one of our painters this week, so I just wanted to help them get some things going right off the bat. It's Friday, crunch day, typical body shop. So, after that, then I started on a Honda Accord that I had to weld some tabs on the dog leg section in order to pull that dog leg out. It was in further than I even thought once I put the door on to see how it was.
All right, on to the first one of the day, a Honda Accord. Hit right here in the dog leg. It's getting a new door, and I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. And I'm probably gonna have to end up welding a tab on this to bring that out. I got this roughly pulled out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rear door on it and see how it lines up. I think I'm gonna have to end up putting a bigger tab on there because I think it's still rolled in this area, but I'll find out when I put the door on it. Alright, this is about what I expected. It's still in quite a bit in this whole area. So I'm going to cut that little tab off and put a bigger one on there so I can cover more area and pull that out. Alright, I got the bigger tab on there now, so I'm going to go ahead and make a pull on this. So it looks like this is not wanting to come out like I want it to. I think I'm gonna have to put 2 more tabs on here. I think I'm gonna need one up here and down here in order to get that whole area to walk out the way I want it to. This car is wanting to slide on me when I'm pulling on it, so I'm gonna put a quick clamp under here just to kind of lock it in place. Well, I got the door jamb about out where it needs to be, but I need to bring this other lip because now it's kind of tilted in. So I'm going to use this guy and make a pull on that to bring that out a little bit. Alright, I got all the metal work done on this one. My door gap looks good. This one is about ready for fill, so I'm going to give it to Eric and let him finish it up. And I'm going to dive into the next one. Alright, on to the next one. I have a GMC Terrain. This one's getting a new door and repair down on this post right in here. That's all it is. Then just blend both ways with the color. I'm gonna knock that one out real quick. Alright, I got this used door. This was a LKQ door that I was fitting to make sure it fit good. It looks like it fits nice. And I got the rocker all repaired. It's ready for fill. I'm going to give this one to Eric as well. He'll have a couple fill jobs for Monday morning.
So that was my day today. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, do me a huge favor and click that share button. I greatly appreciate it. And enjoy your weekend. And I will talk to you guys on Monday.